So I had to do a little bit of a fix on the computer today. The power switch wasn't working for some reason. It wouldn't come on. You know, they just use a momentary switch. The only one I had was that dryer switch. So I popped off the old switch and stuck that one on there. Tried it out. It works just fine. Same type of switch. Dryer switch is a momentary switch, same as what the computer uses. It's ugly as shit, but it does exactly what I need it to do. Had to bring it up here on the dining room table to do it, but my space-saving keyboard, my little table downstairs isn't very big, so that's keyboard and mouse all in one. So here's how to fix a broken switch on a computer. Get an old dryer laying around junk, take the switch out of that, the start switch. Just a push button momentary switch, and wire that into the switch wires for the computer. It works just fine.